Hi everyone, my name is Ekisha Karanya. Today we are going to see the ninth experiment. In this, first we are going to read the dataset. So, first we are going to import the library. Uh, First, we are going to import the pandas library, which is used for handling datasets. Then we are going to read the CSV file named as store2.csv in the data frame. Then header is equal to none, which means the file has no column names. Okay. Then we are converting into list of transactions. So we are just converting each row into list of items. Then we are removing the empty values and we are converting all items to string. The final output is the final result is list of transactions. Okay. Then we are going to the print the heading. Then at last, we are printing the first five transactions for the dataset. In the second question, we are just doing the candidate set and the frequency set using a priori implementation. Okay. Here, first we are importing the combination to generate item subsets. With the library name is combination. Okay, we are just importing that. Then we are setting the minimum support the threshold equal to 88 percentage. Then we are storing the total number of transactions at and next we are doing the support function. Okay, it will define a function that calculates the support of an item set. Then it will count how many transaction contains the item set. Then it will returns the support as a function. Okay. And the next process is we are generating the initial candidate set. Okay, which means C1. It will first it will extract all unique values from the transaction. Then it will create the candidate set C1 in the means of single term. Then it will initialize each iteration counter. Then it will listed to store all frequent item sets. Okay. The next process a priori loop. In this, the loop runs until no candidates are left. And then it will print the current iteration number and it will display the candidate item set. Okay. Uh, then we are just filtering the frequent item set. First, we have to store the frequent item set for this iteration. Then we are doing the we loop through each candidate and we have to calculate the support value. Then we have to keep only item set meeting minimum support. Then we have to display the frequent item set and we have at the last uh, for this, we have to add them to the global frequent list. At the final step, we are going to generate next candidate set. So we have combines item set to generate next level candidates, and and we are going to remove the duplicates by converting to set. At the last step, we are just moving into next iteration. Okay. And the third question, we are going to generate association rule. Okay. In this, first we are going to list it to store. We are just creating a list to store generate rules. Then we are defining function to calculate the confidence, and then we are going to union the support of x and the y, and we are going to make a support of x, and based on the confidence formula, we are just going to divide both support x of x union y and divided by support of x. Okay, then we are going to generate the rule. First we have going to loop through all frequent item sets, and then we are converting list to set. Only consider item set with more than one item will be considered. Okay, and then it will generate subsets of different sizes, and it will generate possible left hand sides, which means x. um, After that, it will split into x tends to y. uh, then it will make the calculation for confidence, and it will store the rule, and at the last it will displace the uh, print displays the value of heading, and it will check if the rule is exist or not exist. Okay, and at the last it will display the total number of rules. Okay, the next question is, and the final question is, rule with high confidence, which is like greater than 50 percentage. Okay, in this we are just setting the minimum confidence equal to 50 percentage. Then we are going to print the statement as strong association rule, in the bracket confidence greater than or equal to 50 percentage, and the counter for strong rules is equal to 0. Then we are looping through all rules, and we are going to filter the strong rules, and we are going to print the strong rules value. Okay, then we are going to increment the counter, and it will shows the total rule and the strong rule, and at the last we are going to print the message. If no strong rules found, it will print as no association rule satisfies the minimum coefficient threshold of 50 percentage. Okay, thank you.